rocker di tutti i tempi. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case of wheat and certain. I've lived a life that's full. I travel hitch in every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it. Regrets, I've got a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I have to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned a charted course, its careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm shooting you when I let off more than I could do. But through it all, there was doubt. I ended up and spit it out. I felt it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I laugh and cry. I have my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, that in a shy way. Much more than this, I did it my way. But what is a man? What has he got? If no himself, then he has none to say the thing into the fields and on the world of one. It was the mind. Grazie.